The Zepp E comes in a circular face and a square face. Square, circle, circle, square, square, circle, circle, square, circle, square.
They say our hearts beat 100,000 times each day, 80 times each minute, each beat making up the moments of our lives, each moment defining who we are, moments of excitement, moments we never forget, and moments we exceed our expectations. Let's live them all. A brand for every citizen, a watch designed for every moment. Citizen.
Digga ding 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 ding, digga ding 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 ding, digga ding 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 ding, digga ding 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 ding, digga ding 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 ding, digga ding 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 ding. Dum doo doo, ding ding ding.
Your place or mine?
How much time to reach home?
Heavy traffic on the way. ETA 45 minutes.
Time to home?
10 minutes.
Guys, after party at Fatima's place.
In this video, we will show you how to use the remarkable navigation features included in the Fenix 3 watch. You can use your device to save locations, navigate to a destination, or follow a track or course. When you start navigating, you can choose the activity you'll be using to reach your destination, such as hiking, running, or biking. If you are recording an activity when you start navigation, the device will continue to record data from the current activity while navigating. Now, let's see how to save your current location so you can navigate back to it later. Press and hold up. Select Save Location. Select Start and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, let's navigate to a location, course, or activity that you have stored on your device. To begin, press and hold up. Select Navigation, then Saved Locations. Follow the on-screen instructions to select a destination, then select Go To. Now select an activity. Let's choose Trail Running. The navigation information screen appears. Select Start to begin navigation. As an option, you can also select Up or Down to view additional data pages. Now, let's see how to navigate back to the starting point of your track or activity along the path you traveled. This feature is available only for activities that use GPS. During an activity, select Stop, then Track Back. You will then see your current location, the track to follow, and your starting point appear on the map. Just follow the track back to retrace your steps to your starting point. It's that simple. Learn more features of the Fenix 3 watch by watching the other videos in this series.